How you doing? Get $25 off your repair. Just post a video if you've rode with Dad's Magic Bus, or if you've had repair done with GR Auto Repair. Just post a post about your trip or your experience getting our repair. We've been around for 30 years down here in Grand Rapids, and we're not going nowhere, but we want to save you some money while you're stuck inside the house. So give us a call, 988-9248, and we'll get your repair set up while you're sitting around. These are one of the essentials that you can do. So post a video just like this and send it to your friend, and they can get $25 off their first visit. And it's good for the whole time that we're trying to get America back on its tracks. All right, if you use GR Repair, post your repair and save 25 bucks on your next visit. Have a great day. Loving Grand Rapids. Keep your social distances and get off the couch. Amen, brother.